Hello, RosterElf community! Zoe Clarke from RosterElf here. Welcome to this quick guide on setting up and managing payroll in RosterElf. How to set up payroll. Log into your RosterElf account. This places you on the home screen ready for payroll. Click the Payroll tab in the top menu. This opens the payroll workspace. Choose the date range at the top center of the screen. This frames the period you wish to pay. If you prefer daily view, click each required day. This lets you focus on one day at a time. How to filter payroll data. Filter by day, employee, or summary using the on-screen buttons. This shows the details that matter most. Open the drop-down menus for staff, site, or position. This narrows results to specific teams. Select a particular staff member, site, or position. This drills into targeted data. Click the icons at the top right to order by name, cost, or shift length. This helps you prioritize reviews. How to view shift notes and photos. Click the note icon beside a shift. The modal displays payroll notes, clock-in notes, and any photos linked to the shift if photos are enabled. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, our support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering!